what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we will.
Welcome back. What's up? I am going to go ahead and do my hair, but that's gonna be in a separate video. I just wanted to come and do something very tropical and summery, you know, my makeup look, that is. So as you can see, I did my brows already. I'm gonna start off with my eyes today. And guys, if you need a detailed brow tutorial, one is always linked down below in my description box of my videos, so please check it out. All right, please check it out. So first, before I move on to doing anything else, I'm just gonna go ahead and base my eyes, you know, so we have an even base working with. And I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector for this. I wanted to go into my makeup, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo Jamrock Universal palette. Has all those, you know, island colors. And today, these are the color I'm working with, or colors I'm working with rather. So I want to start off with eyeliners for my transition color, and I feel like I want to go into Yasso. Again, I think I worked with these same two shades in the last video I featured this palette in, but it just grabbed my attention so much. I don't know, I might incorporate another shadow as I go along. I'm going to be packing on the orange to the lid because I'm giving like a smoke out vibe with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack it on all over on the lid. Oh, and this is so vibrant and pretty. Like, listen, this look right here is inspired by Jamaica's current weather. It is so hot. Like, I'm not exaggerate. Like, it is burning up down here. Right now, my neck is burning. It's like it's about to get like a heat rush, but it's not gonna get that. I'm not gonna allow that. I'm not. It is so hot down here. You have to literally be living in the fan, living in the AC. Like, it's crazy. Yes, I'm just gonna bring it all the way up, and then I'm going to kind of blend out where the lining is, so we have a, you know, zero demarcation.
What they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me.
Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and I want to do a wing liner. So I feel like this is a pretty simple look. It's not anything that's very hard to achieve. I really was just inspired by the sunshine. So I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance liquid eyeliner. I want to move on into my lashes, which I want my lashes to not, it's gonna be like in between. It's not gonna be simple, but it's not gonna be like overly dramatic. The Mink lashes that I'm using are from the White Diamond Lash Company, luxury Mink lashes. Their IG is the White Diamond Lash Company, so you can go ahead and check them out. This is the style I'm wearing. It just says number 7 on the back. I didn't get a name on it or anything. So yeah, It looks very flary and wispy, and I really like it. It's not like, I've had way more dramatic lashes than this before, but these are pretty nice. So I'm very excited to go ahead and try them out. So I'm just gonna apply them and come right back, because if you guys need a detailed lash application tutorial, one is also always linked down below. Really nice, not too dramatic, not too simple. They have a flair. I like it. All right, so now next step, as you guys know, it's going into the face. My face is well moisturized already. I'm gonna go in with my primer. So for today's primer, I'm taking my It's You Skin Smoothing Primer from Sistar Cosmetics, and this is a nice silicone based primer. To go in, I'm jumping right back to my old ways in this video. No foundation. As I said before, it's just for you guys' sake, you know, from time to time to try out different foundations and stuff. And very soon you're gonna see a couple of videos coming up where I'm going to be trying out this one foundation that is so good, but you gotta stay tuned to my channel for that. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector. Again, yes, corrector. I explained this whole thing in the last makeup video that I did. I'm gonna go in and just set all the highlighted areas and then balance out the rest of my face. I am doing a bit of baking today, just for a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a bit of a pop of another color on the lash line area. I'm just gonna go in with some of the blue on the lash line area. This is Goody. This one here, it looks kind of purpley in the camera, but it's really blue. This is super pigmented, guys. I really didn't expect this. For the lower waterline, I'm going in with my Black Radiance Ultra Rich Retractable Eye Pencil, and this is in black. I'm gonna go in with some of my El Makiage Hydrating Setting Spray. So I'm just gonna spray everything. Then go in with my Illuminator. I'm all done with the look. All I did was apply some clear lip gloss from Black Radiance. That alone. I did not apply any liner or anything at all. In addition, I did my hair. If you guys want to see this tutorial, then stay tuned for Wednesday's tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this sleek ponytail. I'm loving it. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll list all the products used down below in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. And if you're interested in knowing what type of hair is it that I'm wearing for the ponytail, it's from rpghair.com. So I'll definitely link my customized page link down below, so you guys can check that out as well. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.